Number 1. 1985 Chevrolet Caprice Classic. Price, $7,000. Located in Platte City, Missouri. This classic 1985 Chevy Caprice, box Chevy, comes with 78,000 miles on the original 305 small block engine. It has an automatic transmission and features a gray exterior with a red interior. The interior is in excellent condition with no rips on the seats, and the body is free from rust. It rides on 22-inch chrome wheels with good tires. The vehicle runs and drives well, and the brakes are fully functional. Upgrades include dual electric fans for engine cooling, an aftermarket touchscreen radio, a new carburetor, and new valve cover gaskets. It also has shorty headers, making it louder due to the unfinished exhaust. All dashboard gauges work properly. Originally intended for an LS swap, this car is still a solid daily cruiser, open to offers or trades for any running vehicle. Number 2. 1985 Chevrolet Caprice Classic. Price, $7,000. Located in Platte City, Missouri. This 1985 Chevrolet Caprice Classic, also known as a box Chevy, offers 78,000 miles on its original 305 small block engine and drives strong. It features an automatic transmission with a gray exterior and clean red interior. No rips on the seats and no body rust. Sitting on 22-inch chrome wheels with solid tires, it's equipped with dual electric radiator fans, a new carburetor, and valve cover gaskets. The dash gauges function properly, and it includes an aftermarket touchscreen radio. It currently has shorty headers, which gives it a louder sound, as the rest of the exhaust is not yet welded. Originally planned for an LS swap, the project changed direction, but the vehicle still runs and drives reliably. This car is a great starting point for customization, open to trades and offers. Anything that runs will be considered. Number 3. 1957 Ford Thunderbird. Price, $27,200. Located in Lawrence, Kansas. This 1957 Ford Thunderbird is a true American icon, representing the elegance and performance of 1950s automotive design. Finished in classic styling, this hard-to-find model is perfect for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Though full details aren't provided, its strong presence and timeless body lines speak for themselves. The 1957 model year is among the most sought-after Thunderbirds, known for its unique tail fins, chrome detailing, and solid V8 performance. With its signature two-seater layout, this car delivers a pure driving experience that captures the spirit of a golden era. Whether you're looking to add to your vintage collection or drive a standout cruiser to car meets, this Thunderbird offers style and history in one package. Contact the seller for more information or to schedule a closer look. A rare opportunity for classic car fans. Number 4. 1962 Ford Thunderbird. Price, $26,000. Located in St. Joseph, Missouri. This 1962 Ford Thunderbird Sport Coupe is a beautifully preserved example of classic American engineering. With 89,500 actual miles on the odometer, it runs on a powerful 390 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The car features its original factory blue paint and matching turquoise interior, both in excellent condition. This Thunderbird is fully paid off, holds a clean title, and shows no signs of major damage or mechanical problems. It's a turnkey classic that's ready to enjoy or show off at any event. The overall condition reflects careful ownership, making it a rare find for collectors or anyone looking to own a genuine piece of early 60s design and performance. For serious buyers, more details are available through private message. This is a true survivor and a standout in any collection. Number 5. 1956 Studebaker Flight Hawk. Price, $20,000. Located in Pleasant Hill, Missouri. This rare 1956 Studebaker Flighthawk is a standout example of post-war American design and engineering. With only 300 miles driven since restoration or rebuild, it features a manual transmission and a bold red exterior with a matching red interior. The coupe's sleek lines and distinctive front-end styling make it a head-turner at any car show or vintage meet. Its lightweight build paired with Studebaker's performance engineering delivers an engaging driving experience for classic car fans. The interior appears to be well preserved, staying true to the original styling of the era. This Flighthawk is perfect for collectors looking to own a piece of Studebaker history or anyone wanting a unique vintage ride that sets itself apart. Don't miss out on this rare find. Message the seller directly for more details or viewing arrangements. Number 6. 1960 Buick LeSabre. Price, $30,000. Located in Independence, Missouri. This stunning 1960 Buick LeSabre is a beautiful example of early 60s American luxury and style. With just 12,343 miles on the odometer, this classic is equipped with an automatic transmission and features a bold red exterior. While the interior color isn't specified, the car's overall presentation suggests it has been well maintained or restored. Known for its wide-body stance, sweeping lines, and signature Buick grille, the LeSabre from this era offers a smooth ride and powerful performance. This vehicle stands out for its originality and vintage charm, ideal for collectors or classic car enthusiasts seeking a show-worthy cruiser. Whether you're building a collection or just want to turn heads on the weekend, this Buick delivers comfort and nostalgia in one package. Contact the seller for more information or to arrange a viewing. Number 7. 1964 Ford Falcon Ranchero. Price, $10,000. Located in Lawson, Missouri. Offered for sale is a 1964 Ford Falcon Ranchero, a classic blend of car and pickup with timeless style and practicality. This Ranchero is badged as a 260 but is powered by a strong-running 289 V8 engine, delivering impressive performance. It's equipped with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, offering a vintage driving experience that enthusiasts love. The exterior is finished in a sharp blue, paired with a clean black interior. Though the odometer reads 999,999 miles, the vehicle is fully paid off and ready for its next owner. This Ranchero is perfect for collectors, project builders, or weekend cruisers looking for something unique and fun to drive. A true classic with muscle and personality. Don't miss this chance to own a piece of Ford's rich history. Contact the seller for more details. Number 8. 1981 Lincoln Town Car Coupe. Price, $4,500. Located in Baldwin City, Kansas. This 1981 Lincoln Town Car Coupe is a unique classic with 108,345 miles and a clean title. Powered by a 302 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this vehicle offers smooth performance and classic American luxury. The exterior and interior are both finished in tan, maintaining a cohesive and vintage look. Notably, this town car has been converted from its original design, adding a special touch for enthusiasts who appreciate custom builds. It runs on gasoline and is fully paid off with no significant damage or mechanical issues reported. This car is ideal for collectors looking for a distinctive model or for anyone who enjoys cruising in a vintage luxury coupe. Contact the seller for more details or to arrange a viewing. Number 9. 1988 Pontiac Fiero. Price, $4,000. Located in Sedalia, Missouri. This 1988 Pontiac Fiero is a sporty classic with 109,000 miles and a manual transmission, offering an engaging driving experience. The car features a bright red exterior paired with a gray interior, maintaining a vintage look true to its era. Powered by gasoline, this Fiero runs and drives as well as a 37-year-old vehicle can, showing its age but still delivering fun behind the wheel. Known for its mid-engine design and unique styling, the Fiero remains a favorite among collectors and enthusiasts looking for an affordable entry into classic sports cars. This vehicle is a great project or weekend cruiser for someone who appreciates classic American performance. Contact the seller for more details or to schedule a visit. Number 10. 1964 Ford Thunderbird. Price, $15,000. Located in Grain Valley, Missouri, this 1964 Ford Thunderbird is a classic beauty in excellent condition, listed as used but like new. It features a fresh new carburetor, spark plugs, and several new engine parts, ensuring it runs great and drives smoothly. The car boasts a beautiful paint job that shines with classic style, while the interior remains original with well-preserved seats, steering wheel, and radio system, reflecting its vintage charm. The overall interior condition is excellent, making this Thunderbird a true collectible. It has a clear title and is ready for immediate ownership. Just come and drive it away today. This model captures the timeless elegance and performance of 1960s American automotive design, perfect for collectors or anyone looking for a reliable and stylish vintage car. Don't miss this opportunity to own a classic Thunderbird in such remarkable shape. Number 11. 1971 Boss 408 Mach 1. Price, $50,000. Located in Kansas City, Missouri, this 1971 Boss 408 Mach 1 is a fully rebuilt muscle car that commands attention. Painted in striking grabber yellow, this Mach 1 is a Boss 351 clone powered by a 550 horsepower, 408 Cleveland engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. It has been lowered and rides on 18-inch wheels, enhancing both its aggressive look and handling. The car offers an exciting driving experience, blending raw power with classic styling. The condition is like new, reflecting the high level of restoration and care. This Mach 1 is perfect for muscle car enthusiasts who want a powerful, head-turning ride that performs as good as it looks. There's too much to list, but this vehicle promises thrilling drives and collector appeal. Whether for shows or weekend cruising, it's a rare find that combines classic Ford muscle with modern upgrades. Contact the seller to learn more or schedule a test drive.